today we'll show you how to use InnoGear Iron Cover Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser. It comes with a cleaning brush. You can use it to clean your diffuser. The power socket is at the base of the main body. Please connect the adapter to the diffuser. Lift up the outer cover and the inner cover. The max line is around the tank. Please add the right amount of water, don't exceed the line. Remember to put the two covers back on. Press the following two buttons to set your desired mode. Let's start with the power button. First press, the diffuser begins to work in the continuous mist mode with cycling lights. Second press, the light flashes twice, and the mist change to intermittent mode. 30 seconds on and off. Third press to turn off the mist and light. Now is the light button. First press to turn on the light and the color cycles through automatically. Press again, the light fixes on specific color. Third press to enter the candle light mode. Built-in LED lights flicker and glow like real candle wicks, producing a romantic atmosphere whenever you want. Fourth press to turn off the light. Light along with the mist is a very special design. If you want to change the light mode while misting, just press the light button to switch to the mode you like. The mist mode won't be affected. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.